right, it is currently Friday. We are on the way to go get our pulley swapped out. We are going from the 3.5 back down to the 3.25. We're getting ready for tomorrow. Already got the passenger seat taken out. So front runners, seats taken out, and we're about to pulley back down for tomorrow night. We're going out to Buddha in the beginning of June, so I'm gonna leave the pulley on for that as well. And then after that week, like mid-June, we're gonna swap back to the 3.5 most likely. But yeah, we got a 25-minute drive to the shop so we can get this pulley swapped out. And yeah, I'll catch up with y'all after. All right, just got out of the shop. We are headed home. 3.25 pulley is installed. Haven't been on this pulley in what feels like quite a while, but it really hasn't been that long, to be honest. A little nervous, man. This pulley makes me nervous. I'm not even a bullshit, but I think with the front runners on, it's gonna transfer the weight a lot better, like it did previous video in the Draggy. Just the car lifts and it just plants it all in the rear. So fingers crossed, the car that I'm supposed to run pulls up. It's another S650, Whipple S650. I don't know, I don't want to say for sure, but I believe he is on the 3.0 with a 15% lower and E40. I will confirm that, you know, the night of the run when he pulls up. But I think now I'm gonna go home and then see what goes down like the next 2 to 3 hours. Maybe get some runs in or potentially some testing. So we'll see what goes down. All right, 3.25 pulley is on. We got the F14s on. Passenger seat out. Marcus is in the back of the car. We are about to go out and make a Draggy pass just to see where we're at. Might be hard to see. 3.25 is on, but we're about to go out and make a pass. I'm hoping that we run, I want to say a 4.59. I'd be happy with a 4.59. Just cracking the 4.5s. I don't know if we'll get there. It is pretty warm out tonight, but I'm pretty confident. We have I think like a half tank of gas. So when we pull up to the spot, I will see what the DA is. Hopefully it's similar to last night. Last night was like 1350, 1400, something like that. I think it was 1350. So hopefully there's like similar DA. But yeah, we're about to get on the way. I don't need gas, so we're about to just drive straight there and get right into it. What?
This feels crazy. Yeah, you got, this is plenty of space, I think.
Ready?
Yep.
What was it?
It went, I think it legitimately went just as fast as it did before with me in the car. 4.74.
4.74, that's fucking slower.
What? I don't think so. Well, the DA's higher. And it did say,
Man, fuck this dud.
it's ready. You're good.
Ready?
Yep, you're good.
What'd it say?
This one, it ran a 4.8, 60 to 130.
A 4.8? Oh my gosh.
The 100 or 150 was a 4.63. So that is massive. So your 100 or 150.
A 4.63?
Yes, your 100 or 150 dropped like 0.3. That's massive.
Yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot.
That's a lot. That's like 6 cars right there. So it's significantly faster. And I'm in the car.
Yeah,
So
I would have figured the skinnies would make a bigger difference on the top end.
your butt was shaking.
Yeah.
You were nervous?
No, because it was spinning.
Alright, just got back with the Draggy runs. Not gonna lie, I was hoping for a lower time. I'm not even gonna cap, but the DA is like 1500. What was it? 15 what?
Yeah,
1500? 1500 DA, so like I really can't complain. I just wanted this shit to crack a 4, what was it? 4.4 or 4.59 or 4.
The car is running faster than it did.
Yeah.
Under air with the passengers.
Yes.
You're good, bro. Legitimately, and it's fun. So.
Yeah, it did spin a little bit. I didn't feel it too much, but Marcus said he could feel it. This dude's literally rocking.
That's good. It's fast. Just gonna get the job done.
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm still happy with the times. I just thought I was gonna run a little lower, but I can't really. I shouldn't really expect that just because the DA is so high. So like, it's not that big of a deal. You know what I'm saying? We'll come out like on this same setup in lower DA like a couple months later from now. But this should be enough. This should be. What is this guy doing? Better relax, buddy. This should be enough to get the job done tomorrow night.
Way more than enough.
Yeah, I'm filming this. Currently, this is being filmed on Friday, but we're going out tomorrow, Saturday. I'm just gonna merge all into one video, just because I just posted my last video was a Draggy run as well before I swap back to the 325. But yeah, it should be enough to get the job done. Yeah, that's pretty much it for tonight. I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow, probably when we're on our way to the meet or like when we pull up to the meet spot, and I'll film the cars there. Alright, it is the next day. We just pulled up to the meet spot, and the car I was supposed to run ducked. 30 minutes prior, he said that he's not pulling up, so. So it is what it is. We'll get some runs with some other cars. Fuck, it's too dark now. His headlights were... Got a ZR1 out tonight too. He took the wing off. He was out a couple months ago. Yeah, I know. I'll get a run in with those trucks, and I want to get a run in with this fucking ZR1. Carbon wheels, thick Supra. Yes, he took the wing off. And thick Supra. I lost this car. To buy it?
For me.
Yeah, I think he's selling it for 70 grand, 65K. Yeah, just skinnies. But see, I need these tires. These are the street tires. See the tread on them? So.
Well, I didn't have a sway bar, so I thought that was because I didn't have sway bar. Radios or just a radio? Yeah.
Trucks and a Pro Mod. Nope, McLaren. are currently headed to the E station to pick up some fuel. We're about just over a quarter tank left from last night. Already got the interior back in too, and I swapped back to the stock fronts. I'm no longer on the skinnies, and it's crazy like how tight the feel, like if the steering and shit. I was already getting used to the skinnies. Like this shit feels like kind of weird now. But yeah, I better go get some fuel. Kind of bummed about last night, man. That dude Paul, I was supposed to run him in 30 minutes before meetup. He was like, yeah, it's too far. I'm not coming out. So kind of ducked. I'm a little irritated because he knew like the day prior he wasn't coming. It's a little annoying, but I mean, it is what it is. It was kind of hard. Like that was literally why I was going out there. That was the whole reason why I drove all the way out there to get those runs. But I mean, yeah, what are you gonna do? It is what it is. I wish I was able to get more runs last night. I heard like the front of the group was really good. I was trying to get a run in with the ZR1, and so I kind of went out with him, and then I kind of ended up getting like caught in the middle where there was like nothing really going on. It was a little irritating, but that's just how it goes sometimes. I can't be perfect every time you go out, you know. But yeah, it's just a gamble you gotta take. You know, it's either you go out first, get some good runs, or you leave with another car and hope, you know, you line up with him. We obviously didn't end up lining up. Maybe next time though. He's actually pretty active, so I'm sure we'll see him out again and we'll be able to get another run in with him. But with that being said, hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. Make sure to drop a like and a sub, and I will catch you all in the next one. Peace.